Plumbing pipes. In plumbing, there are generally three kinds of materials which are most commonly used: ferrous metal pipe, plastic pipes, and copper pipes. In ferrous metal pipes, we have galvanized iron, cast iron, and steel. In plastic, we have four main commonly used materials like PVC, ABS, PE, and PP. We will discuss about all of these in the later sections. And the third one is the copper. Firstly, we will be discussing about the galvanized iron pipe, which is most common in earlier days. So GI pipes, these come into three categories: class A, class B, and class C: light, medium, and heavy, depending upon the wall thickness. So heavy is mainly used for concealed plumbing and underground works because it's a heavy duty pipes. Class B, which is medium, these are used for exposed or open plumbing works. Class A, which is light. So these are not recommended as as far as good plumbing practice is concerned, because there are chances of bursting of the pipe because of its very light, very thin wall thickness. Now, if you see, galvanizing consists of, what is galvanizing? Galvanizing means applying of zinc coating onto the iron material. Okay, that is called as galvanizing, zinc coating. Why we are doing the zinc coating? For preventing pipe from corrosion. But there are some conditions where if there is a poor zinc coating, there may be chances of corrosion. And so in aggressive corrosive conditions, galvanized iron pipes should not be used. GI pipes are not recommended nowadays because they get easily. Now see, these GI pipes were very much used in the previous days. After this PVC, after this plastic pipes came into this industry, GI pipes are not much common nowadays. Okay, because there is a lot of drawbacks in this GI pipes. These are difficult to repair and these are difficult the maintenance, because and the joints, if you see, when you connect two pipes, the joint is a threaded joint. You need to create threads over the pipe for the joining purpose, which is a very difficult task and which is need a very special toolkit to create this, whereas in PVC it is very easy to connect two pipe segments. So due to heavy in weight, due to difficulty in repair and maintenance, nowadays these are not recommended and they get easily corroded. Okay. Cast iron. So cast iron are commonly found, if you see, in historical buildings and structures. Okay, for the drainage, for the venting purpose. There are some properties associated with cast iron pipes due to which nowadays also these are in most demand. First is superior sound insulation property. In application where is noise the main criteria, CI pipes are maybe preferred over other materials like hospitals or hotels where you want to maintain a very low noise. These are non-combustible and have excellent fire resistant properties. Okay, so in applications where fire safety is the top priority, such as high-rise buildings or facilities with strict fire codes, CI pipes may be used for drainage and venting purpose. Longevity. Now, CI pipes have a very long lifespan. That is what longevity is. It has around 80 to 100 years of lifespan when properly installed and maintained. Like in situation where longevity is a significant consideration, such as underground installations in the civil line or commercial and industrial buildings, CI pipes may be chosen for their proven track record of durability. Use of CI pipes in new construction projects has become very less common. Why? Because there are some drawbacks associated with the CI pipes. What they are: weight. They are very much heavy in weight. There are vulnerability to corrosion. They get easily corroded because they are heavy in weight. Okay, the connections are very difficult to make. The joints, they have higher installation cost. Labor charges very high uh, charges for the piping of the CI pipes as compared to the alternative like PVC or PX pipe, PP pipes, PR pipes. They are very easy to install. They are light in weight. They have very corrosion resistant. They are very light, lower installation cost because they are light in weight. So that's why CI pipes nowadays is not as much recommended as compared to the previous days. Next, we have steel pipes. There are two major applications where steel pipes are most common in demand. First one is large diameter pipes. Wherever the large diameter pipes are required, there generally we go with the steel pipe. So steel pipes are commonly employed for plumbing systems that require large diameter pipes. Frequently used for water mains, which is a main line, water main line, municipality infrastructures, water line, industrial facilities where large diameter pipes are required, and higher volume of quantities of fluids need to be transported. Second important application is where high pressure application is there. Like their inherent strength and durability make them suitable for applications like for industrial purposes, whereas high pressure fluid is running, and for let's say for fire sprinkler system, they are very much recommended. They can withstand, means they can bear a very high pressure without deforming or busting. That is the main quality. They can bear a very high amount of pressure without deformation and without any bursting, ensuring the safe and efficient delivery of fluids. So these are the two main applications where steel pipes are most commonly used. Large diameter, where large diameter pipes are required, where there is a high pressure application.